The Quest for Mars and the Search for a Second Earth, written by Henry Romano, narrated by Ryan Moorhen and Bull Shanks.
Exoplanets. In August 2006, the Solar System dropped one of its 9 planets. Not because of cataclysmic circumstances, but because astrophysicists at the International Astronomical Union IAU General Assembly selected upon a new outline for the term planet. IAU astrophysicists recognize that a planet is a body with sufficient mass and gravitation to be round or nearly round, and whose revolution around the sun is a clear path. No other notable bodies should share a planet's orbit. Pluto, a small body whose highly idiosyncratic orbit takes it into a region called the Kuiper Belt, controlled by many other orbiting bodies, fails to meet the classification under this interpretation. The Solar System now formally has 8 planets. Pluto, which astrophysicists acknowledge to be a dwarf planet, is just one of the many Kuiper Belt bodies. Establishing a term is essential in using it in a reliably precise manner. There is an overabundance of bodies in the Solar System. Astrophysicists have started classifying them based on differentiating characteristics rather than on custom. This is also crucial in a more general study of planetary systems, since cosmologists have recently begun exploring small objects orbiting other stars in the galaxy. Although the IAU delineation applies only to the Solar System, the objects encompassing other stars are in the same dimension and mass range as the heavier planets in the Solar System, so scientists call these objects planets. As of March 2021, there are 2,200 exoplanets discovered. None of these planets is similar to Earth. The bulk of them are a lot like Jupiter, a much larger world than Earth, and composed mostly of gases. Nevertheless, the absence of Earth-like planets is presumably due to the limits of the techniques of detection. Stars other than the Sun lie at remarkably vast distances. The closest star is Alpha Centauri, a tri-star system that is 25.6 trillion miles, 41.2 trillion kilometers away, which is more than 63,000 times the Earth to the Sun distance. The universe is so vast that astrophysicists describe space distance in a light-year unit. The distance light travels in 1 year. 1 light-year is approximately 5.88 trillion miles, some 9.46.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?